And when I walked out of the surgeon's office, the news was so disturbing that I needed to get a hip replacement. And my first response was absolutely not. I can't. I just don't want to. I cannot see my way out of this. I do not want a hip replacement. Back and forth, well, what do I do? I need to make that appointment for the hip replacement. So I did, and it was scheduled for December. But I never felt right. I started just getting online and Googling, and I just did it over and over and over again. And I had hope. Surgery was coming up. I postponed it and I pushed it forward 2 months. And I just saw the surgeon yesterday. It's postponed again with I don't have a new date.